Hey guys, how are you doing? How's your day going? I'm just starting out your night. Hope you are having an amazing and a beautiful day today. This is going to be a very short video. We're going to be talking on the pyproject.toml file. So it is a file that is very crucial component of modern Python project. It serves as like a standardized configuration file that encapsulates all necessary project metadata and dependency, streamlining project system and management. So when you want to set it up, you can use tools like Poetry and Fleet. Poetry is what we're going to be using in this video. So you can manually create yourself, but we're going to be using Poetry to help guide us. So the key components of it are the metadata, which will have the name of the project, the version of the project, a short description, and the authors or people that are like making changes to the project. Then you have your dependency section, which is going to have like, okay, these are the models, your Python, Django, request, NumPy, whatever package or model you're using, and the version you're also using. Then you could have like development dependencies, usually things like PyTest, and you would have your build system. This sets like specifies the build system requirements, including backend and its dependency. And yeah, so if you want to create, like I said, you could manually create it yourself. So there's a structure which we'll see shortly. But in this video, we're going to be using Poetry to do it. So to do that, you're going to do pip install Poetry. Make sure you're connected to the internet. And once it's done installing, we'll just wait for that. I already have it installed, so requirements already satisfied. Once it's done installing, you will just run Poetry init, that is initialized, and then some questions will be popped up and you just fill it up as needed. So first of all, it's going to ask me what's the name of the project, and in this case we'll just use test. What is the version of the project? Yeah, I think they will usually give you like a syntax guide. So let's just do exactly what they gave us. Then description, a test project. Then it's going to ask for the author. So we'll just use we can just leave the license for now. Compatibility version of Python. Yeah, would you like to define your main dependency interactively? Yes. Okay, you can specify a package in the following forms: a single name request. This will search for matches on PyPI, a name and constraint, a Git URL. Okay, so package to add. So let's just add um a few. Let's add request, 0. They'll just pick whatever the latest version is. Okay, another package. Let's add NumPy, 0. And should we add another one? Let's add Django, 0. Okay, that should be all. Would you like to define your development, the pendency? Yeah. So you just get like a general idea of what the syntax is. Let's use PyTest, 0. Okay. Build system. Do you confirm this generation? Yes. Okay, so it should create. Right, so these are pyproject.toml file. So just open that up. So you can now see how, so when you find this, just like a general syntax, so you on your own, you can just use this as a guide when you are creating yours. I just felt like we should just introduce it because we're soon going to start entering into like proper framework. So yeah, Thanks for watching. If you have anything you want me to cover, let me know. If you have any questions, let me know. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.